In this video, I'm going to provide you some Excel help on how to separate cell contents using the text to columns function in Excel. The text to columns function is mainly used to split data from one cell into multiple cells. Don't forget to watch until the end of the video where I share a tip on how to eliminate unwanted cell data such as commas. Hi, I'm Luca. Welcome to this channel where I share weekly videos about Lean Six Sigma and how it can improve both your professional and personal life. If you're new here and want to keep learning more about Lean Six Sigma, please click the red subscribe button and little bell below so you get notified as soon as new content is uploaded. Okay, so I've gone ahead and set up an example. As you can see here, we have a table and we have a cell here that says hello fun world, and we have another example that hello comma fun world. So what we want to do is we essentially want to split these three words into three different cells. So the way we can do that is by highlighting these cells that we want to split, going up to the Data tab here, going to the Text to Columns button, and click that, and you can see this Convert to Text Column wizard pops up. So the first thing we want to choose here is choose the file type that best describes your data. Normally, I leave it as delimited. In most cases, the majority of times, this will work for you. So make sure delimited is selected. Click next. If you like this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave a comment below. And now you can kind of see how your data is going to look like once you actually separate it. So you can see that the words have been separated into three. This screen, it lets you set the delimiters your data contains. You can see how your text is going to be affected. So we make sure that space is checked off here, because that's going to tell Excel that when there's a space, we need to split the word into a new cell. So this is a little bit of a preview for how it'll look. So to me, that's looking pretty good. We'll click next. And here you get to choose where your data will go. If we just press finish like this, we're going to replace the starting cell as such. Excel will prompt us, that data already exists there. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Okay. And you can see that we've replaced the original text. Now, if we didn't want that to happen, we'll just start again. Text to columns. Make sure delimited is clicked. Click next. Space. Next. And we can choose our destination cell. So we can do that. We click here and we can type in, we can highlight the cell that we wanted to go into. Press enter, finish, and you can see now we've made a complete copy of the words, but we've left the original here. Now I promised you guys that I would give you a tip at the end on how to remove that pesky comma. So once again, we'll do it again. Highlight the words, Data tab, we'll go to Text to Columns, make sure delimited is selected, press next. We had space selected. So now if we click on comma, you can see that the little comma here, I'll do it again, unclick it, unclick the comma, and that will come back. So if we click the comma, it's going to take that out. Next, finish, press OK, and you can see now the text has been split up and that comma has disappeared. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out more of my videos about Lean Six Sigma here.